Here's how to shock your friends by sliming them in Yeeps. So the first thing you're going to need is one of these motion sensors. Make sure this little nub is facing upwards. The second thing you're going to need is 2 powered party cannons. So you want to place your party cannons here, and make sure these are facing upwards. The next thing you want to do is wire them up. You can use the normal wires, but I'm going to use the wire blocks because I think they look better. So the next thing you want to do is make sure these work. Since they both shoot out, we can start the next process. You're going to need 2 potion cannons. And right there. Now you're going to need some paint. Real quick, I'm going to block this off. Now that I have this, you want to come up here, and you want to make sure you have this like this so you can put this into here. But first, we have to actually make the thing that's going to be the slime. So you're going to need a cauldron. By the way, just saying, I have no idea if this is going to work correctly. And it wasn't the right recipe. Bam. Bop. Okay, so the recipe was blue mushroom, green leaf, and gold flower. So once you have your mix, you want to take this, put it in here, take another one, and put it in here. Now, we can put that like that, and then, boom. And now, once anybody runs through this, they're gonna get slimed. They're gonna be like... So, for example, they get slimed. You gotta be fast enough to avoid the slime, so... You gotta be fast, so that'll surprise them.